Amazfit GTR 2e with blood oxygen monitoring 90 sports modes launched. Amazfit GTR 2e smartwatches have been launched in China as follow-up models to the Amazfit GTR 2. The new watches have mostly the same features as their older models but come with a lower price tag, and some compromises in specifications. However, they also promise to deliver longer battery life. The Amazfit GTR 2e comes with a round dial. Smartwatch models are available in 3 color options and come with 2.5D curved glass. Amazfit GTR 2e price. The Amazfit GTR 2e are priced at 799 Chinese yuans, roughly 9,000 rupees. The Amazfit GTR 2e comes in dolphin gray, ice lake green, and obsidian black. They are available for purchase through the Amazfit China website, GTR 2e. The company has not shared details about their international availability. Amazfit GTR 2e specifications. The Amazfit GTR 2e has 2 buttons on the right side. It has an aluminium alloy body that weighs 32 grams. You get a 454 by 454 pixels AMOLED display with 326p pixel density. The 471 mAh battery is claimed to last for up to 24 days in daily use mode and up to 45 days in basic watch mode. This is significantly more battery life compared to the Amazfit GTR 2. You get a Xiaomi proprietary BioTracker PPG biological data sensor, supports blood oxygen measurements, acceleration sensor, gyroscope, 3-axis geomagnetic sensor, ambient light sensor, air pressure sensor, and temperature sensor. Connectivity options include NFC and Bluetooth 5.0, but, unlike the older GTR 2, Wi-Fi is missing from the GTR 2e. You can monitor sports like running, jogging, cycling, treadmill, swimming, and more for a total of 90 sports modes. It is also waterproof up to 50 meters. You get blood oxygen monitoring and sleep monitoring as well. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.